Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Peter of Shuttle Factory Scale Models. I also want to thank you for all of your support this year, with your views, likes, shares, comments, and subscriptions. It is thanks to your support that this channel has passed the 1,500 subscribers mark. I hope that you all have a safe and happy holiday season, and wish you all the best in 2024. And of course, good luck with all your ongoing scale modelling projects. And as an added bonus, here is a sneak peek of a few upcoming video projects at the end of this video. Until next year, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.